how to place your first bet on FanDuel. If you want to place your first bet on FanDuel Sportsbook, first of all launch the FanDuel app. Now the first thing that you want to make sure is that you deposit the funds. So tap the account icon from the bottom right and tap on the deposit icon right there in order to deposit funds to your FanDuel account by tapping the Add Funds button. Once you've made sure you've added the funds, you can come back to the home page. Now what you have to do over here is you have to simply choose a sport or an event that you would like to place a bet on. So you can choose different type of sport, just select that. Now depending upon the type of sport, event or market it is, you have to simply add the odds to your bet slip. So you can see all of the odds that are available for this. You can bet in a live SGP or other states as such. Once done, you can simply enter your stake amount, and once you enter your stake amount, you'll be able to place your bet. This way you will be able to place your first bet on FanDuel. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.